My name is Rick Hogan. I'm an immigration attorney. My role in InfoVest is to manage the immigration requirements for the EB-5 visa program and the regional center. Also, I am expected to manage the securities and corporate legal requirements and coordinate those to make sure that the fund is meeting all of its legal requirements for the EB-5 regional center. I have a long history with foreign investment in dealing with U.S. immigration. More than 10 years as an immigration attorney, primarily dealing with foreign investors, investment in the United States, and immigration visas of all kinds. The InfoVest opportunity is for the EB-5 Regional Center visa, which is a quickly growing and expanding opportunity with United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. And it's a good opportunity for foreigners to invest in the United States and gain legal permanent residency in the country through their investments. I've lived in Delaware now for more than 10 years. I have law offices in Wilmington, Delaware, and also in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, part of Hogan and Vandenberg. We are a all-purpose immigration law firm. I've been handling foreign investment and immigration, U.S. immigration cases for more than a decade. So one unique aspect for U.S. immigration law is that it's a federal practice, which means that I, as a licensed attorney in Pennsylvania, can practice immigration law, federal law, in any state in the country. Our corporate headquarters for InfoVest is in Wilmington, Delaware, but some of our projects will be outside of the state of Delaware, and I will still be able to manage those legal issues from our headquarters. The EB-5 investment visa is a special visa created by the U.S. Congress in 1993 that allows for foreign investors to invest money in the United States in specific projects. In return, the foreign investor is able to gain legal permanent residency, which is commonly known as a green card, for the investor and for their family, children under 21. The program has expanded in recent years to include what is known as regional centers. Regional centers allow for a pooling of investors to group up and invest in specific projects and count both direct jobs and indirect jobs. So it's expanded the universe of the type of projects that are available for foreign investors. It's made it a little bit easier in some ways, a little bit more difficult in other ways. There are many regional centers that are available right now that have been authorized by the United States government. In the United States, there are more than 300 regional centers at this point. Many of them, though, are not actually functioning. They do have the authorization, but they are not practicing right now. They don't have projects for investors to invest in. InfoVest is different. We are seeking our authorization, and we have projects ready to go in the pipeline. The highlights for the regional center include an opportunity to invest $500,000 per investor in what are called targeted employment areas. That's where the state government will recognize a certain area as a high unemployment area. In those areas, when the $500,000 investment is made, if 10 jobs are created as a result, then the investor is able to petition to the United States government for the legal permanent residency status. InfoVest's job is to assist the investors to make sure that, number one, that 10 jobs are created per investor, and that the documentation proving that those jobs have been created are available so the investor can file the application that's necessary with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service to obtain the green card, the 10-year card. Once those three things are met, those investors are then able to, depending on their contract, stop their investment and their role in InfoVest and move on to other projects on their own, or remain in the fund and continue as investors and continue to seek a higher return on investment over the longer term.